Hi everyone. As part of the second assignment in ERA V3, what we have done is we have created an application wherein the front end is CSS, JS, and what the application does is you select any kind of a picture and it would show that picture of that individual on a local PC. Similarly, you choose any kind of a file on the picture, it would show you what kind of a file it is and what are the details of those files. Let's say I do this and I select this, it would show me what kind of a file size it is, where exactly the location and what is the file name of that uh, PC. To start the application, you just need a local server in Python, where I can just simply click on Python as a main file, or I can use a command called uvcon main and reload the server. So basically, once you restart the server and you refresh this page, you'll be able to locally see all the images and stuff like that onto your file. The extension could be you could do a lot many things. I did try it, but got lost in cursor and finally lost everything. So be careful and hope you have a lot of time and have fun creating this. Thank you.